Howdy everybody, Lily here with Lily's Outdoor Adventures, and I just went up in the woods today and got some lobster mushrooms, and now I'm going to show you guys how I fry them up on a blackstone and what I like to do. So this will be your lobster mushroom. Really nice one here because it doesn't have no little wormholes in it, so I know it's going to slice up real good. So all I use is butter, salt, super simple, and elephant garlic. There's a place here in Dallas, Oregon. It's called Salt Creek Elephant Garlic, and that's where I buy mine. It's just super good. Really nice people that own that little shop. It's always nice to stop and talk for a minute. So thank you guys for the beautiful garlic I'm using today. Okay, like this is 1 clove, guys. Holy crap, it's huge because it's elephant garlic and it's nice and mild. I always like slice it up into like little thin slices. Okay. And it almost ends up making like little garlic chips with what you're doing. I use salt, super simple, butter, and then this elephant garlic. And I kind of do like little chips here. Okay, little fly, I get it. Ha, losing my butter. All right, blackstone's nice and hot here. A lot of butter. You want a lot of butter, even though I'm kind of cooking it a little too high here. Shut a couple of my burners off. All right. Got all that nice butter. Now you're going to go like this and take all your little shavings of garlic all over your blackstone. Nature's flavoring. Okay. Then, with your lobster mushroom, I slice it super nice and thin. So they're going to be pretty dang thin little pieces, and we're just going to lay those kind of out like little steaks here. First lobster mushroom of the season. I am so excited. I had to cook one right when I got home. My kids were really excited too. Ah, they're just beautiful when they're early ones because they don't have all those gnarly worms. So if you guys are, I'm in Grand Ron, Oregon, so this is where I found a bunch of them this morning. Okay. See, and this is all 1 mushroom. And there's that much food from it. Pretty dang nifty. Alright, now we're just going to saute these guys up. Turn up our burners a little more. Give them a little more butter. More butter, more butter. You know what, y'all? We need more butter. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to use just a little bit of salt on them. Garlic, butter, a little bit of salt. That's all I use for my lobsters because they have such a good, like, distinctive flavor by themselves. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell through the screen. I have to turn on my this burner real quick. Oh man, that wind's gonna mess me up. Okay, turn these back on all at once. I love blackstone cooking. This thing has changed my life when it comes to making breakfast, all kinds of stuff. Making little garlic chips here. If you don't have a blackstone and you want to get one, get one. I let them get pretty cooked. I let my lobsters cook for a while. Little Star Wars theme music for you guys. Toss those around and all that buttery goodness. I will be doing a lot more blackstone videos. Cook, babies, cook. Cook, cook. All right, we're getting close. All right. Let's get these guys on a plate here. All right, so there's our mushrooms. Let me get this shut off, my propane off right quick. Even though I'm doing a video, I'm still gonna treat my blackstone the way it deserves. Give it a little scrapey scrape here. Sorry about the noise, I'll try to be quiet. Okay, chuck some new oil on it here. Just a little tiny bit of vegetable oil since I don't got no bacon grease. That's usually what I use on my blackstone, and so far it's stayed really seasoned and pretty and always ready for the next food, so. That's called short people problems. Ooh, like this right here is a piece of garlic. Mmm. 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 Guys, those are so dang good. Alrighty, well, that's all there is to it, to making lobster mushrooms, and I'll have a video before this too of me going to get the lobster mushrooms. And next time we'll go get some chanterelles and do those next. Alright guys, here's to a kick-ass mushroom season. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. And Lily's out. Have a good day.